amazing artist. How are you doing today? Okay, we have been doing Fall Guys, lots of Fall Guys, and they're so cute. I can't wait to see yours. Oh, so much fun. These little Fall Guy things are adorable, and we're just going to do one more for now, and then we'll go back to some other stuff, and if you guys request for more, we'll do some more. But there's one we haven't done yet that I think is so cute, and it is a pineapple Fall Guy. So let's do that today, okay? So you're gonna need pencil, eraser, Sharpie, something colorful, or not, but these Fall Guys are so colorful. I feel like I say the same thing at the beginning, but those are our basic supplies, right, for these projects. Now, you can use colored pencils, markers, oil pastels, paints, whatever. I'm going to use crayons because I love them, and it's easy and clean for me when I'm working here. But you use whatever you want, and I can't wait to see it. And I'm going to draw one pineapple Fall Guy. Maybe you make a whole pineapple family. And if you do, that's awesome. I'd love to see it. Be sure that you guys post it and tag me in it so I can see it and celebrate your work, okay? Dealio? All right, so let's start with the pencil. And look, while I was playing with all my stuff, I already got stuff all over my paper. All right, now this is kind of an easy one. Everybody can handle this. You've got it. Are you ready? Now, you draw lightly. Remember to use whisper lines. Draw lightly at first, and then when you get everything where you want it, you can go in dark with your pencil, or you can use a Sharpie or a marker or a pen or something, okay? All right, now the first step on the pineapple guy is a big upside down letter U. Are you ready? It goes just like this. Did you like that song? It was kind of not exciting, was it? I'll try to do better with my next little ditty that I make up. So easy, right? It's so easy. You can do it. It's a letter U upside down. If your U is a little crooked on one side, perfect. It's fine. Have you ever gotten a pineapple from the store before? I've gotten some pineapples that grow all kinds of ways and crooked and whatever. Have you ever taken the top off of a pineapple and stuck it in the dirt and tried to grow another pineapple? We did. It worked. And that pineapple was really crooked, I'll tell you. It was a crazy looking pineapple, but it worked. Try it sometime. All right, next step. I got sidetracked. Let's get back to our Fall Guy. All right, the next step is come across the bottom here and let's curve it. Don't come straight. Curve it just a little, see? Because it's a round pineapple, so we need to curve that line. Face time. We're going to put the face right in the middle, and it's a circle. Now the face is a little closer to the top. It's not right in the middle here, so just a little closer to the top than the bottom, and there's the little face of our Fall Guy. All right, now I've shown this on a few others. I don't know if you've seen them all, but put a really lightly, a little cross through there, really lightly, because we're going to erase that for sure. But make the top of your eyes land on that line, and that's how you know kind of where to place them, because they don't go up high and they don't go right in the middle. They kind of go right below a line that is in the middle, okay? Now, the next step is the pineapple has that happy little sprout of stuff on his head, right? So come up and up like that. Mine's a little off center, but you know what? I think it's cute that way. All right, so now we're gonna kind of come down and just go do, 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 do. All right, you got it? Now the next one, we're just gonna kind of come up out of that, boop, boop. And then you're gonna go do, 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 do. Again, you could have just 3. I kind of went crazy and had 4 there. When I Sharpie it, I might just do 3 because that's a little much. Now the next one is just little. It goes up, up. And on this one, I'm just going to put a V. It's just going to have 2. Bloop, bloop. That's it. It's cute, huh? All right. We need some arms coming down. So Wait, let's get his bottom on first. Now this is going to be a U that's the right, not upside down, the right side up, but it's not going to be as deep as that one. It's going to come, and you're going to come in just a little. So from each side, maybe make a little dot that comes in just a smidge, and then we're just going to go there we go. Did you like that song better? I'm sorry, I'm not doing real well with my songs tonight, am I? That was a little better. All right, so you see, it's not as tall as that, but it's his little bottom sticking out right there. Now, let's go ahead and do his feet. We're down here, right? So again, we're gonna make the tops like that. Do you see how I made the tops of one? And then there's the other. And they're not very far down. And the feet are gonna be like little triangles. So they're gonna be wider at the bottom. So watch this. It's just gonna kind of come out, over, and out. Do you see how it made like a triangle shape? Out, over, and back. Cute. This one's crooked though. Maybe he's standing on a hill. Curve. I smoothed it. There you go. That's it. Little triangle shapes. You got this. What's he missing? What's left? Oh, that was in some movie we did when we were kids. He needs his arms, doesn't he? Let's take a break and do some wiggle arms. Can you do it? Can you make noise? Okay, I'm done. I'm done being silly. Let's get some arms on our pineapple fall guy instead of watching me be a nutcase, right? Okay, ready? We're gonna come down about, well, you see where his head is? If you came halfway out of his little head, right there where that line was, that's where the arm's gonna start. So just right there, boop. And his arm hangs down to about this far, not almost as far as the bottom of his little body there. So I'm gonna put a dot like there. And then you're just gonna come down, doop, boop, 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 and stop. Because this is the middle of his finger, okay? And then this one comes like that. And then he's got one more little finger that comes like this, and it comes up to the side of his body. You know what? Mine's a little wide, isn't it? So I'm gonna bring it like that instead. Because it was just a little wide, and that's okay. There he is. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So come across his little head, and we're going to come down. Now we're going to come in a little and get that finger that goes and this one curves like that. A little bit longer maybe. And then this one comes like that. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to his arms. Now, mine are a little bit wide, I think. I might skinny them up when I do the Sharpie, maybe make them a little bit thinner like that, I think. I think I got mine a little bit fat. But they're still cute, right? So it doesn't matter. So I think I will, though, even before the Sharpie, so you can see. I'm gonna thin them up just a bit in case you wanted to see before I go to that stage. That looks a little bit better to me. There they are, so cute. I forgot something important. Almost time to do the speed up Sharpie. We forgot the little cross marks that make him look like a pineapple, right? So here's how we do that. It's like a bunch of diamonds. So we're going to just pick a spot and we're going to make some diagonal lines, but we don't want to cross through his face. So go doot, 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 and stop, and then trace with your finger to the other side, and then come out just like you went straight through, but you stop, okay? Now here's the next one, and we're going to do another one, okay? Then here we're going to go and we're going to stop, and then go with our finger to the other side, and then come out. And I think we can get one more right there. That looks great, but to look like a pineapple, it's got to be a diamond, right? So now let's start at this one, and we're gonna go back the other way. So we're gonna go, got it? And we'll start at this one. And that one. And now we can't really, well, I guess we could have had one right there, couldn't we? Now let's go. And we're going to stop and come across and come down. And, well, that really should be here, shouldn't it? A little bit. And then we might see part of one there. That's why we draw lightly, right, guys? Better, huh? All right. Now I'm going to do the Sharpie part. And you can pause me and go back over that, or just work on your marker, or go back and do your pencil darker. I can't wait to see yours. I'm gonna get going now. Hey, hey! How did your pineapple fall guy turn out? I'm pretty happy with mine. He's fun and just fresh, and I love pineapple. Do you? All right. Well, I think I'm going to color mine. I didn't even look to see what color the fall guy pineapple. I don't remember what color it is, but I'm going to do mine with some yellows and oranges, I think, and maybe a little bit of green on his head, and I might accent with a little purple or pink. I don't even know what I'm going to do yet. So you can start coloring yours, and I'm going to do it in the zoop fast mode, so you can watch if you want, or just color along with me, and I'll see you back at the end when we see what they all look like. All righty. Hey, hey, how's yours? How'd it turn out? How is your pineapple fall guy? I like mine. He's got his little crown, his pineapple crown's a little crooked on mine, but I think it gives him personality. So I hope you enjoyed coloring yours. And I was thinking, I didn't tell you before, but that's part of the fun thing about the game is you can dress your fall guy however you want. So it might have a pineapple top and a hot dog bottom. It might have a pineapple top and a purple bottom, which is kind of what I decided to do. You might have you can mix them up any way you want. So if you've gone through all of our fall guy videos, or if you haven't, feel free. And then you can mix up the tops and bottoms however you like. And then remember also, a lot of the fall guys are just striped, zebra striped, zigzag striped. There's a skeleton one where they just drew the bones on him, polka dots, whatever you want. So you could put the pineapple top with a polka dot bottom. Maybe I'll go back and add stripes to my bottom. Or polka dots. I love polka dots. I don't know. So just keep that in mind. You can do them however you want. There's no right. There's no wrong. They're like mix and match little fun guys. You can mix them up however you like. All right. Speaking of that, I want to see how you do it, how you mix yours up, what your unique piece of art turns out like. Because there's only one of you, right? So there'll only be one piece of art that you create. I would love it if you would get your parent or guardian to post it in the Art for Life Blueprint group, which is called Kids Art with Art for Life Blueprint. And you can join that. Anybody can, any parent. And then you could also just use our hashtags. Hashtag AFLB or hashtag Art for Life Blueprint. They also have the ability to just email me or DM me or whatever with your art, so I can put it in the celebration videos. And then also you can send in requests for what would you like us to do on the How to Draw Alongs. I'm keeping little votes, and I'm happy to do what you want because I'm making these for you. I hope you had a wonderful time today. Think about what you're grateful for today. Write it in your journal. Be sure to draw something every day. One little creative thing every day, okay? And I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thanks for hanging out with me and for making a fall guy. And until next time, I'll see you later.